Hi, my name is Curtis Hayes. I'm here with Python X, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this machine. So what the Python X is, it's really kind of an all-in-one cut to length for structural steel. Cut to length, we do holes, we do large cutouts, copes, pretty much anything that you can draw, the Python X can process in one pass on this machine. So here we have just a quick view of the HMI. Right now the robot is processing this section right here. You can see inside we're doing some dog bones, a large cutout in the middle, and then scribing some stiffener plates, locations for stiffener plates. Yeah, so this here is the high-speed measuring cart. So we pre-measure the material before it goes into the cell. That way we know that there's enough material to be processed before we make 60 feet of scrap if there's not enough material. So we always pre-measure on the in-feed conveyor. This measuring cart's job is to follow the back of the steel. It doesn't push, it just follows. And we're accurate to a 32nd of an inch over 40 feet with this machine. On the in-feed, on the inside, we have the reference eye. This finds the front of the material. That way we know, as soon as it crosses the reference eye, we know how long that material is to the 32nd of an inch.